Pag sinabing crimes
So,
against
guys,
humanity,
alam mo na to
mga
si
dictators sa...
EJ na magkuanta. Vlogong na to si Jacob para ipaprank na to si Jacob. Nampalayasan na to si EJ. Palayasan na to si Jacob. Tapos, mual
I
kita.
think it's a little bit unfair.
Palayasan na to. Atik-atik lang ba? Pero mahilak siya.
At least may idea.
So guys, andam na na to din camera.
Baka 19. And don't get me wrong, every life
Mira
matters.
ha. So guys, ready na ta. Ready guys. So mga amigo, kaya mo ato na miniisip padulong kang Jacob. Dapat na tayo
If we have evidence, we should file the cases here against President. He should face here. Okay. So, mahaba pa to. So, hindi ko babasahin lahat. Pero just to go to 18, challenges to the jurisdiction of the court for the admissibility of a case. So, pwede kasing mag-file yung Solgen. And then, nandito, if a challenge is made by the state, the prosecutor shall suspend the investigation until such time as the court.
Tapos,
So,
ang
ang point ko
nila,
dito, and correct
kay
me
mabawas
now or
ka
later,
guys.
at any time ko alam natin ang investigation,
Mabawas ka
pwedeng
di.
sabihin nung na sandali,
Hawa di be,
we're
hawa.
hearing it here,
But
or may
dili
ongoing
tas
dito,
to.
or
Dili tas
mali
to.
kayo. Of course, they can overrule us. They can say, no, we don't believe justice will be there. So to my knowledge, during the Duterte time, never tayong nag-intervene na,
So guys,
except
kung
itong
ano
kay
may nagsabot
Solgen
ni
ng
EJ.
June 24. I may be wrong kasi knowledge ko lang to, but June 24, nag-intervene siya. Sinabi niya, sandali lang, please postpone. Diba?
So guys,
Hindi
dili
ko pa
siya
nababasa
ito.
ang
Pangon
dahilan
kay
na postpone.
kay pakualan sa
During
nato
the
si
Marcos
EJ.
administration,
Di ba Je? Ano Je? Pogi.
we had no
Bayot,
findings sa ICC whether na ituloy niya yan o wag niya ituloy yan.
The Secretary
Wait lang
Guevara,
guys.
who filed the Philippine position with the ICC.
But that was still Duterte time kasi September.
That was already our time.
Bye, Mega.
So already